If you have seen my previous videos on double integration, earlier I explained you how to evaluate double integration, what are the rules to perform double integration, and we can find area under the curve using double integration. We can find volume of the surface using double integration. So these concepts have already been discussed. Now we have to evaluate double integral by changing the order of integration. So this is a new topic, change of order of integration in double integration. Actually, as such, we can directly evaluate the double integral by taking order dy dx, and we can first change the order of integration from dy dx to dx dy and then evaluate. In both cases you will get same answer. And then why we need to change actually order of integration? Actually, sometimes it is more convenient to solve the question by taking one specific order. Sometimes it is more convenient to solve taking order dy dx, and some other times it is more convenient to solve the question by taking order dx dy. Why? Because sometimes it is more convenient to integrate first with respect to y and then with respect to x, and some other times it is more convenient to integrate first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So in this question the order of integration is dy dx. You know that if order of integration is dy dx, then your strip is vertical. Whenever you want to solve any given double integral, the first step is you have to plot the region of integration. The first step is you have to plot the region of integration. So here region of integration you will plot using limits of integration. So here limits of integration are y equal to minus under root 4 minus x square by 2 to plus under root 4 minus x square by 2. So y is plus minus under root 4 minus x square by 2. If you square both sides, you get this ellipse, x square by 4 plus y square by 1 equal to 1. So plot this ellipse. So these first limits are limits of y, and these are variable limits for y, and this gives you equation of ellipse. And second limits are constant limits. X varies from minus 2 to 2. So these x equal to minus 2 to 2 actually lies on ellipse. How you can find also from this equation? If you put y 0 here, you get x square by 4 equal to 1. So x equal to plus minus 2. So these points, x equal to minus 2, this lies on ellipse, and x equal to plus 2 also lies on ellipse, right? And if order is dy dx, then given strip is vertical strip. You know this, if order is dy dx, then strip is vertical, and if order is dx dy, then strip is horizontal. So your given strip is vertical strip. So till now I just have explained you the existing situation corresponding to this problem. I have explained you existing situation. Existing situation means you are given one ellipse. You are given order of integration to be dy dx, and your boundaries of are also varying from x equal to minus 2 to x equal to 2. So to change the order of integration, you have to change the strip. So in place of vertical strip, in the same region of integration, we take horizontal strip. Now our horizontal strip varies from this lowest part of the ellipse to upper part of the ellipse. So you can earlier you solved it for y. When you had vertical strip, you had value of y, limits were limits of y, and now when you are taking horizontal strip, so limits you will be taking limits for x. So x square by 4 equal to 1 minus y square. This gives x equal to 2 under root 1 minus y square. So x equal to plus minus 2 under root 1 minus y square. So this point correspond to x equal to minus 2 under root 1 minus y square, and this point correspond to x equal to plus 2 under root 1 minus y square. So you have got limits for x. Here are limits for x equal to minus 2 under root 1 minus y square to x equal to plus 2 under root 1 minus y square. How you have found these limits? So these limits you have found from here, equation of ellipse, by simplifying this for x. right? Variable limits for x. Now next you have to find limits, constant limits for y. You know that your first limits are variable limits and second limits are constant limits. So limits of y. Now this strip, lowest it starts from here and highest it goes up to here. So at this point y is -1 and at this point y is 1. How you can find? These 2 points are on y-axis. On y-axis x is 0, so put x 0. Y square by 1 equal to 1, so y equal to plus minus 1. So y is -1 here and y is +1 here. So this way you will find the limits of integration, and now your order of integration is also changed. So your order is dx dy. So you observe, when your order was dy dx, your strip was vertical, and now when your order is dx dy, your strip is horizontal. Now you just have to solve this double integral. So here your limits are from x equal to negative limit to x equal to positive limit. You know one formula, integration of minus a to a fx dx is 2 times 0 to a fx dx. If fx is even function. Geometrically I also explain you, if you have to find out area of this whole ellipse, if you find area of this part only, half part only, and you multiply by 2, then you will find area of the whole ellipse. So in limits from negative to positive, they correspond to area of whole ellipse, and if you take 2 times 0 to positive, means you are finding area second part and you are multiplying by 2, so this will give you area of whole ellipse, right? So now here actually the formula I have used, integration minus a to a fx dx. This is 2 times 0 to a fx dx if fx is even function, and if fx is odd function, then integration minus a to a fx dx is 0, right? So here in this function is one function, integral is 1, so this integrand is 1, so which is 1 is even function, that's why I have multiplied by 2. Now integrating 1 with respect to x, so integration of 1 is x, and apply limit 0 to 2 root 1 minus y square, put x upper limit 2 root 1 minus y square minus put x 0, so lower limit is 0, right? And now using same rule for limits of y also, your limits are negative to positive, so using same rule you can multiply again this by 2 and limits from 0 to positive limit, right? Because this function is also even function. Whenever we have to apply this rule, actually what is the rule? Integration of minus a to a fx dx is 2 times integration 0 to a fx dx, provided fx is even function. So here this fx is also even function, that's why we have multiplied by 2 and limits we have changed. In place of minus 1 to 1, we have taken limits as 0 to 1. And now this is single integration. You know how to evaluate this single integration. Use formula under root a square minus y square. You know formula is y by 2 under root a square minus y square plus a square by 2 sin inverse y by a. So a square is 1 and a is 1, right? And then apply limits 0 to 1. Put upper limit y1. If you put y1, this is 0. Put y1, sine inverse 1 by 1 is pi by 2, so pi by 2 into 1 by 2, pi by 4, and 8 into pi by 4 is 2 pi, and then minus lower limit, put y0, this is 0, put y0, this is 0, right? So this way you have changed the order of integration. Earlier your order of integration was dy dx, your strip was vertical, you change the order of integration. Changing the order of integration means change the strip, so you change the strip accordingly. Your first limits are limits for x, and then your second limits are limits for y, and then you solved, right? So next is find the area of the ellipse enclosed between the this ellipse and bounded by this straight line and first quadrant. So first we plot the region of integration. Step 1 is to plot the region of integration, right? So this represents equation of ellipse. So this is ellipse, this is straight line. Plot the straight line. Y greater than equal to 0 means positive quadrant. Now we have to find area bounded by all these curves. So we have to find the area of this common shades, right? So we take one vertical strip inside the region. If we take vertical strip, then order of integration will be dy dx, and if we choose horizontal strip, then order of integration will be dx dy. We shall solve the problem by both ways. First we solve taking vertical strip, right? So these I have shown you, these are the point of intersection of ellipse and straight line. How will you find the point of intersection? A, just take x as 2 minus 2y and put the value of x here. In place of x, put 2 minus 2y and simplify. The whole equation is in terms of y. Solve the equation for y. You will get y as 1 and 0, right? And corresponding x will be 0 and 2. So you get 2 points of intersection, A and B, A 0 1 and B 2 0, right? Next, so now order is dy dx, because strip is vertical, so order is dy dx. So first you have to find limits for y. Your y varies from straight line to ellipse. So y on straight line, y is 2 minus x by 2. So y is 2 minus x by 2, and on ellipse y is, you solve it for y is under root 4 minus x square by 2. And once you have found the limits for y, put the limits of x you can find from here, from a to b. At a x is 0 and at b x is 2. So lower limit is x equal to 0 and upper limit is x equal to 2, because this strip moves from a to b, right? And at a you will put x0 and at b put x equal to 2. Now first integrate with respect to y. So integration of 1 is y. Then apply limits. First put y as upper limit, root 4 minus x square by 2, minus put y as lower limit, 2 minus x by 2, and then integrate with respect to x. Apply formula square root a square minus x square. So x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and then integration of 2 is 2x minus integration of x is x square by 2. So here x square by 2, and then apply limits 0 to 2. Put x equal to 2, this is 0, put x equal to 2, sine inverse 2 by 2 is sine inverse 1, sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. Here also put x equal to 2, so solve for by putting x equal to 2, you will get pi by 2 minus 1, and minus lower limit, put x 0. So if you put x 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, right? So finally you have pi by 2 minus 1. Next you have to change in the same question you have to change the order of integration and then evaluate. So in place of vertical strip, now you will take horizontal strip, right? So horizontal strip you are vary from straight line to ellipse. So solve this for x equal to 2 minus 2y. So your x starts from 2 minus 2y, and your x on ellipse is 2 under root 1 minus y square. So your x varies from 2 minus 2y to 2 under root 1 minus y square, and this horizontal strip starts from lowest point is b, highest point is a. So y varies from here, y point was b point was 2 0, so y is 0, and at a y is 1. So y varies from 0 to 1, right? So here your y varies from 0 to 1, right? So how we have taken the limits dx dy? First we have taken the limits for x, and then with respect to y, limits of x goes from straight line to ellipse, and limits of y goes from, because we have to cover this whole region, so limits of y goes from b to a. And now as earlier you solve in the same way. First integrate with respect to x, then apply limits. Upper limit 2 under root 1 minus y square, and minus lower limit x is 0, and then once your integration with respect to x is solved, next you have to solve integration with respect to y. So use as earlier, you use formula square root a square minus y square, y by 2 under root a square minus y square plus a square by 2 sin inverse y by a, and then apply limit 0 to 1. So your answer is 2 pi.